For those in Chile and neighboring areas seeking a serene massage experience, Wang Qirui Massage Chair Company offers a solution to the irritating creaking sounds that often occur when adjusting your massage chair. Our advanced design integrates smooth, silent operation technology, ensuring your relaxation isn't disturbed. We focus on crafting durable, high-quality massage chairs that stand the test of time. Our local support team is always ready to assist residents across various districts, from bustling Santiago to peaceful Valparaíso, guaranteeing prompt service. Experience tranquility. Let us help eliminate those annoying noises, enhancing every moment of your massage.